Bismillah, Assalamualaikum
Okay, Bismillah.
warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
So
wabarakatuh.
today,
So today,
me and Ahsan
me
will
and
be
Ahsan will be
preparing this project
preparing this
from
project
IDN,
from
and
IDN,
that is
and that is
podcast.
podcast. Okay, so now I will be the host, and Ahsan will be the speaker. And Ahsan will speak about AI in the modern era. Okay, so for Ahsan, the time is yours.
Okay, hello guys. My name is Muhammad Ahsan Satria Dharma, and today I will be the speaker of this podcast. We're talking about AI 2027. Yeah. So, AI 2027 is a scenario about a project for artificial intelligence that it can evolve what AI do. So if you guys know, in this era, we can see that AI is can do some of our work. For example, like doing writing and doing some, we can say doing some pen tests and many more. And we can call it agent. Yeah. So agent. So what the difference actually before we start out, I want to tell you what the difference between agent and GPT. So the difference is GPT is a AI model that give answer result, but if agent it's to what execute himself. So not if ChatGPT can they give answer answer what we asking. For example, what is Apple, and then the ChatGPT will answer it. But agent is different. For example, please check this website, and the agent will see by himself. Yeah. So um, in bahasa it's langsung bertindak dan menyelesaikan tugasnya gitu. And you can imagine like this. GPT is like a brain, yeah, the brain. It can answer the question, writing a text, explain a concept, or making a code. But AI agent is combining the brain, yeah, the GPT, the hand, the tools, and the aid. So it can do works, yeah, and taking some, what we can say, taking the GPT, the AI can take some decision, and it's yeah, it can use a tools for browsing, for database, API, terminal, and it can run it automatically. Okay, the example like this. Search if GPT, search laptop, the best laptop for 10 million price, and then the GPT will give the answer. But if AI agent, it will searching from the web and then opening some website and compare the what compare the price, and then will tell to us. And then let's now talking about AI 2027. Nah, okay. And you can check the website AI 2027. So the idea behind AI 2027 is not a guaranteed prediction. It's more of like a scenario of a possible future if AI technology continues improving rapidly. Secepat itu. Imagine like this. Instead of simply answering your question, AI system become intelligence agents that I said before. They can plan a task, conduct research, write code, analyze an information, and make a decision with much less human guidance. And by 2027, some experts believe we might move closer to something called AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. AGI refers to AI that can perform many different intellectual tasks a human like a level, rather than being limited to one specific task. Now, this could bring a huge benefit. I might help scientists discover a new medicines faster, improve education, automate repetitive work, and solve complex problems that currently take human years to handle. But there are also concerns. What happens if AI develops faster than our ability to manage it? Could jobs change dramatically? Could powerful AI systems be misused for cyber attacks, misinformation, or other harmful activities? Some people believe the world will enter an AI race, where companies and countries compete to build stronger and stronger systems as quickly as possible. Uh, and one thing is certain, AI is no longer just science fiction concept. It's already becoming part of everyday life. The future of AI may be exciting, challenging, and unpredictable. The question is not only how powerful AI will become, but also how humanity choose to use it. And Zaidan, maybe you have a question about AI 2027. Yeah. Okay, maybe Zaidan.
Okay, so okay, uh, test. Okay, okay. Uh, so now I will give question to Ahsan about AI 2027. Okay, so first question. How different will everyday life feel in 2027 because of AI? How the world different? Okay.
Can you repeat the question?
How different will everyday life feel in 2027 because of AI?
Okay, thank you for the good question, Zaidan. So, life in 2027 could feel very different because on AI. Today, AI mostly help us with specific tasks like answering questions or creating content. But by 2027, AI may become more like a personal assistant that actively work with us the day. For example, students could have AI tutors available anytime. Workers could use AI coworkers to automate repetitive tasks, and business might make a decision faster using AI system. Healthcare, education, transportation, and even cybersecurity could become more efficient. At the time, daily life may change in other ways. Yeah. Some jobs could evolve, new careers may appear, and people might rely more on AI tools. The biggest difference may not simply be having smarter technology. It could be how deeply AI becomes integrated into our everyday life. Yeah. Next question. You have question.
Okay, for the next question, uh, I will ask, what make you scared about AI? Because AI is scary, yes. What makes you scared of AI?
Okay, thank you, Zaidan, for the question. Let me answer it. So, what makes AI feel scary? It's not just that it becomes smarter, but how powerful it could become if used in the wrong way. AI itself is a tool, yeah, but like any powerful tools, its impact depends on the people using it. For example, AI could create a realistic fake videos or spread misinformation, automate cyber attacks, or replace some types of jobs faster than society can adapt. Or in this era, we can know it like deep fake, yeah. So making um, so filter, yeah. So our face changing it to become other people. And another concern is with whether humans can keep control if AI system become increasingly autonomous and make important decisions. At the same time, AI also has huge potential to help humanity, improving healthcare, education, science, and many other areas. So the real question may not be whether AI is scary, but whether we can develop and use it responsibly.
Okay, the next question again. Uh, what jobs do you think AI will change? Okay, what jobs do you think AI will change?
What job? What job?
Do you think AI will change or transform?
Okay, so AI will most likely replace tasks before it replace entire jobs. Jobs with repetitive and predictable work are more likely to be affected first. For example, some customer service roles, data entry jobs, basic content writing, scheduling tasks, and routine administrative work could become highly automated. However, AI may also create a new jobs. Roles like AI engineer, AI security specialist, AI trainers, and other technology related careers are already growing. Jobs that require creativity, human relationships, leadership, and complex decision making may be harder to replace completely. So the future may not simply be humans versus AI. It could be humans working together with AI. Okay, maybe you want to add some itu ya, menambahkan.
Okay, uh, this is my most genuine question. Yeah. Okay, so uh, would AI make people more creative or more lazy because of easy AI?
Okay, thank you, Zaidan. Let me answer it. AI could make people more creative or more lazy. It's really depend on how people use it. If someone use AI as a tool for ideas, learning, and improving their work, it can boost creativity. For example, AI can help writers brainstorm the stories, help designers create concept, or help students learn faster. But if people depend on AI to do everything for them, they may stop thinking critically or practicing their own skills. Instead of creating, they might only copy and accept what AI gives them. So AI itself is not the problem. The difference comes from whether people use AI as an assistant or as a replacement for their own thinking. Yeah, maybe that's all, yeah, because the time is limited. Yeah. I will give to Zaydan.
Okay, so for the question section is done, and now I will give some like conclusion and about AI. Okay, so if you listen to Ahsan, Ahsan gives something about AI 2027 or AI prediction in the future. Okay, so what I get is that you as a human don't have to worry, but still you have to anticipate the uh, AI in future because AI is really will be dangerous. But if it used in wrong way, so you as a human you can just anticipate normally. Don't do something like uh like the AI can do like repetitive and other things. You can do some change in personality in uh like professional work. Okay, so maybe thanks for Asan for being the speaker. And now as the host, I will close this section by saying Alhamdulillah. Okay, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.